Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today we are going to learn how to convert optative sentences from direct to indirect speech. In this video, we will discuss what are optative sentences, rules for converting them from direct to indirect speech, and also there is going to be a homework right at the end of the video, like I always have, because I know you enjoy doing homework and I like giving it to you. So you will find practice exercise at the end of the video to solve in order to check your understanding. And you can find answers to the practice exercise of lecture 4. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. Now, let us see what are optative sentences. Students, optative sentences are the sentences which express wish, desire, prayer, or curse. For example, may you live long. So it is a wish for someone. If I were the president. So this is expressing desire. May God bless you with good health. So, a prayer to God for someone. May God punish him. So, it is a curse. And students, one more identification mark is these sentences generally end with an exclamation mark. Now, you know what are optative sentences. Now, let us see how to convert optative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Let's see this example. Direct speech. He said to me, comma, inverted comma start, may you live long, exclamation mark, inverted commas close. Now what is indirect? He wished that I might live long. Full stop. Now students, let's see what changes we have made here to convert direct speech into indirect speech. Number 1, the reporting verb. This said to is the reporting verb. Said to changes into wished, prayed, or cursed as per the sense of your sentence. Next step. Inverted commas and the comma separating the reporting verb and the reported speech is removed and conjunction that is used. So here we have replaced comma and inverted comma and used that here. And of course, may changes into might. And students, all general rules for the change of tenses, pronouns, etc. remain the same, which we have already learnt in our previous video. And one more thing, this optative sentence is to be changed into the assertive sentence. So it means the sign of exclamation is replaced with a full stop. So when we have to remove this exclamation mark and replace it with full stop. So what we have to do, we have to change the sequence of subject and helping verb. In order to put exclamation mark, we have used the helping verb may. After that, we have used subject you. But in indirect speech, you can see this you is changed into I and placed before might. May changes into might and it comes after I. And you know it well, like if second person you is there in the reported speech, it changes according to the object of the reporting verb. Here object is me, and when me is shifted to the place of subject, it becomes I. So he wished that I might live long, full stop. So students, isn't it easy? What you have to do? You simply have to change 2 and 3 words and you get 1 full mark for doing this. Now, let us see some more examples to understand the concept in a better way. Number 1. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, may you be happy, exclamation mark, inverted commas, close. Now, students, let's convert this into indirect speech. He, now this said to is replaced with wished. He wished. After that, we are going to remove this me as well as comma and inverted commas. And here we are going to use conjunction that. He wished that. Now, may you will change into I might. So, subject is to be brought before the helping verb. And the helping verb may shifts after the subject and it changes into might. He wished that I might be happy. Now we have changed the sequence of may you into I might. So now we can remove the exclamation mark and put full stop. And one more thing, students, to make the things easy for you, I have used these different colors to show you which word is changed into what. For example, said to is in red, it changes into wished, which is in red. Comma, inverted commas are in green. So in its place, we have used that, green. So subject you in purple, it changes into I in purple. May in pink changes into might in pink. This exclamation mark in blue changes into full stop in blue. So students, if you keep on observing the changes which are done, you will be very easily able to convert direct speech into indirect speech. Let's see some more examples. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, may God bless you, exclamation mark, inverted commas, close. Now students, here we have used God. So we always pray before God. So when you see God word in the sentence, so what we have to do, we have to change our reporting verb said to into prayed. He prayed that. Now God, may shifts after God and changes into might. God might bless me. So you is second person which changes according to the object, that is me. So me here is used at the place of object. That's why we'll use me only. Remove exclamation mark and put full stop. The mother said, comma, inverted comma, start, may God bless you with long life and prosperity, comma, my son, exclamation mark, inverted comma, close. So how are we going to change this into indirect? The mother, in reported speech, God is there. So we are going to use prayed. The mother prayed that God, may changes into might and it will be shifted after God. God might bless. Whom to bless? My son. So my son here changes into her son with long life and prosperity, full stop. Now let's see one more example. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, may God bless you with a son, exclamation mark, inverted commas, close. Now he prayed that God might bless me with a son, full stop. See students, what changes are done here? Said to changes into prayed, remove commas and inverted commas and put that. So God is to be shifted before might, may changes into might, bless. Now this you changes as per the object of reporting verb. That's why me with a son, remove exclamation mark, put full stop. Isn't it simple? कितना आसान है एक नंबर स्कोर करना. They said, comma inverted comma start, may her soul rest in peace. Exclamation mark inverted comma close. So they prayed that her soul might rest in peace. So if you are using wished in place of prayed, then also it is right. Next example, the poor beggar said, comma inverted comma start, would that I were rich! Exclamation mark inverted commas closed. Now here poor beggar is expressing his wish. So let's convert this into indirect speech. The poor beggar wished, remove commas, inverted commas, put that. Now students, if in a sentence would that is used, so we are going to remove it. I changes into he and were is changed into had been. The poor beggar wished that he had been rich. Full stop. Now let's see one more example. He said, comma inverted comma start, if I were a king! Exclamation mark inverted commas close. So he wished that. This is quite simple. And if your sentence begins with if, and there we are going to remove that if and we are going to use would be in its place. He wished that he, in place of were, we will use would be. He would be a king. Full stop. Now let's see one more example. She said, comma inverted comma start, may your enemy go to hell! Exclamation mark inverted commas closed. Now from this sentence we come to know that the lady is cursing someone. So this said is replaced with cursed. She cursed that. Now your enemy will change into my enemy. My enemy might go to hell. Full stop. So students, isn't it simple? कितना आसान है इसको कन्वर्ट करना. बस आपको रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो सेड टू है उसकी जगह विश्ड, प्रेड, कर्स्ड सेंटेंस के हिसाब से यूज करना है. कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हटा के उसकी जगह पे दैट लगा देना है. अब वहां पे जो मे यू होता है तो सब्जेक्ट को आगे ले आना है, मे को पीछे ले जाके माइट में कन्वर्ट कर देना है और एंड में एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क हटा के उसकी जगह पर फुल स्टॉप लगा देना है. सो हाउ easy it is to score marks in reported speech. Now students, it's time for homework. So here is an exercise for you. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. So here you will find all optative sentences. So applying the rules which we have learned just now, solve this exercise. And answers of this exercise will be available in my next video. So keep watching. Now students, these are the answers to lecture 4. So hurriedly pick up your notebook where you have solved the exercise of previous video and let's check our answers. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. So in last video, we studied how to convert imperative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. She said to me, don't keep talking. The answer is, she advised me. Don't changes into not to. Keep talking, full stop. Number 2, my boss said to me, comma inverted comma start, work hard. Full stop, inverted commas closed. So how to change this? Now boss is giving a suggestion. My boss suggested me, remove commas and inverted commas, put to work hard. Full stop. He said to the guests, comma inverted comma start, vacate your rooms. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Now students, here the sentence is quite confusing, like whether to use requested or ordered. So here we can simply write told. He told the guests to vacate their room, because guests plural, so in place of your we'll use their rooms, to vacate their rooms. She said to him, comma, inverted comma, start, quit smoking, full stop, inverted commas close. So she advised him to quit smoking. Doctor said to him, comma, inverted comma, start, avoid fast food, full stop, inverted commas close. Now doctors always advise. So doctor advised him to avoid fast food. He said to his servant, comma, inverted comma, start, clean the room, full stop, inverted commas close. So we order our servants. So he ordered his servant to clean the room, full stop. He said to her, comma, inverted comma, start, please lend me your notes for 2 days, full stop, inverted commas close. So if this please or kindly word is there, then we change our reporting verb into requested. He requested her to lend him her notes for 2 days, full stop. The gardener said to the children, comma, inverted comma, start, don't pluck the flowers again, full stop, inverted commas close. Now, indirect speech, the gardener told children not to pluck the flowers again. Number 9, captain said to the soldiers, comma, inverted comma, start, follow me, full stop, inverted commas close. So captains always command. Captain commanded the soldiers to follow him. My father said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, don't touch the electric wire, full stop, inverted commas close. Now fathers also often advise. So my father advised me, don't change it into not to touch the electric wire. So hope you have checked your answers over here. And students, if you have liked my video, please press the thumbs up button. And if you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. So students, please subscribe, share, comment and like my video. Thank you very much.